Alright, let's prove that 7 is an irrational number. Okay, so we want to go by the method of contradiction. Okay, so with the method of contradiction, we will assume that root 7 is irrational. So we assume that root 7 is a rational. And remember, rational number is a number that can be expressed as a over b. Okay, so we assume that root 7 is a rational number. Remember, a and b is an integer. Okay, and a and b should not have a common factor. Okay, so once we get a common factor along the way, it means that this one is not true. So a and b and b do not have a common factor. Okay, and b is not equal to 0. All right, so let's go ahead and see if. All right, so let's square both sides. So we have root 7 squared equals a over b squared. So we have 7 equals to a squared b squared. So we can make this side over 1. So 1 times a squared is a squared equals to 7b squared. Okay, so we have a squared equals 7b squared. So a squared has a factor of 7. So since a squared has a factor of 7, we conclude that a also has a factor of 7. A also has a factor of 7. Okay, so if a squared has a factor of 7, a also has a factor of 7. So with this, you write a as a factor of 7k. So where k is an integer. Okay, all right, so we now do substitution here. We have a squared equals to b squared. Now we have a having a common factor, so let's go ahead if b also gets same. So let's do the substitution. So we have 7k, so a in this, so 7k here is squared, 7b squared. So we have 49k squared equal to 7b squared. Divide both sides by 7. 7k squared equals to b squared also. So we have b squared, so having a common factor of 7. So since b squared has a factor of 7, b also has a factor of 7. Okay, remember a and b should not have common factors, and we have a and b having a common factor. Therefore, since a and b common factors, okay, they contradict. Okay, so Therefore, root 7, which is the same as A over B, is not rational. Okay? Therefore, root 7 is irrational. All right.